Okay, well, we're back. I'm, all right. I'm going to actually do this correctly this time. I lost my train of thought earlier. And so let's see if we can do some counting now. So something to think about is when I'm doing, when I'm trying to count things like the cards here, right? I want to count the number of cards that exist. Something I could think about is if I have 52 cards, I really have them divided up into, well, we can think about them being divided in suits, right? So there could be like these different suits, but if I'm thinking about, like, say, 4 of a kind, well, here I could imagine there's 4 ones in here, and then there's 2s, right, up to, you know, we've got like king, ace, right? Well, how many things are here? Well, that's 13, right? So we can think about first starting off with 13. There are 13 sort of like of these, and we're choosing one of them, right? And then really, I'm thinking about, well, how many cards am I drawing here? Well, I'm drawing 4 cards from, you know, one of these 13 suits, right? And they all have to be the same. So I have 4 choose 4, right? So this gives me, let's say, a number of ways to draw 4 cards, right, that are the same. But, right, like I could have, like here's a hand that's possible, a 1, a 2, I'm sorry, not a 1, 2, and 3. That doesn't work. So like, let's say I've got a 1 of hearts, and then no, a 1, I'm really losing it this morning. Let's say I've got a 2 of hearts, and maybe I've got a 2 of diamonds, 2 of clubs, and 2 of spades. That's terrible. And I have this like just other thing left over, right? Well, I have to account for that, right? So what goes in this like leftover thing? Well, it could be any one of the other cards. Well, how many cards are left? One way I could think about it is if I were choosing 13 and 1, really what's left is 12, right? I'm choosing one of the 12 remaining things, right? Something that's not, in this case, a 2. And then what am I doing? Well, from from all of these, I'm choosing, 1. Right. So notice what this gives us. And if you think about it, if these are the 4 cards that I have, right, these are 4 cards, and really what I have left over is 48 things I can put in here. And notice that this actually gives us 48 right here, right? Because 12 choose 1 is just going to give us um, 12 choose 1 will just give us 12, and then 4 choose 1 will give us 4. Notice that what this is going to give us is 13 times well, in this case, this is right, 4 choose 4. Well, there's really only one way to choose 4 objects. So that's pretty much it. So that's fine. That's that. Right? That's just adding some additional counting stuff.